Once you make this with sausage, you'll never want to eat a hot dog again. I'm using 500 grams of sausage here. I'll split them in half and then cut them into smaller pieces. Once that's done, let's transfer it to a larger container. Next, we'll add a chopped tomato, a grated carrot, a can of corn, drained, a little green chili, parsley, and chives. Let's mix all this together really well. On top, I'll now add a 200-gram packet of mayonnaise. And let's mix again. It's perfect now. I'm going to transfer it to a dish, but you can use whatever container you prefer. To garnish, I'll add a bit of green herbs. Once that's done, chill it in the fridge and we only need a small amount. Now, let's move on to our bread. And finally, add fried potato sticks to taste. And guys, our cold dog is ready. Just look at how delicious it turns out. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home, and I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. This is another recipe from Kitchen Struggles. A big hug until next time, and thanks.